Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video we are sharing with you how to remove any object from a photo in Photoshop very easy way, so keep watching till the end, and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and thumbs up like button. First open Adobe Photoshop, then go to File option, select Open option, choose the photo. Select Spot Healing Brush tool from left panel, or press J key from keyboard. Press first brackets for increase brush size. Select Magazine. Laptop. Notebook. Headphone. Bags. Cycle. I hope you enjoy this simple video. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for more Photoshop tutorials videos, and thumbs up like button. Share this video with your friends want to know how to remove any object from a photo in Photoshop.